We bought this abandoned 2012 Mercedes-Benz S-Class for just $500. Everyone said we had wasted our money. 15 years of neglect had turned this luxury sedan into what looked like nothing more than scrap metal. But hidden beneath all this rust was a mystery no one expected. Stay until the end, because if we can bring this Mercedes back to life, it'll be one of the most unbelievable restorations we've ever attempted. The moment we opened the hood, everything changed. Years of neglect had taken their toll, and what we found underneath was far worse than we imagined. This wasn't going to be a simple restoration anymore. We thought the engine was our biggest hurdle, but the real threat was hiding in the chassis. If that was compromised, this entire build was over before it began. And then, we found it. The journey officially began the moment this forgotten luxury sedan left the junkyard. Now the real work begins. We thought the engine was the problem. We were wrong. Hidden deep in the chassis was a secret that could destroy this Mercedes forever. Everything depends on what we do next. We've reached the point of no return. The only way to save this S-Class is to tear it all apart. What we're finding underneath is worse than we thought. It shouldn't look like this. Rust was just the beginning. What we found inside was worse. A completely ruined wiring harness, destroyed by years of water. This Mercedes is on the edge of death. Game-changing moment unlocked. Removing the engine wasn't just work. It was do or die for this Mercedes. Then we uncovered damage far worse than we imagined. We expected normal wear. What we found could have destroyed the entire engine. This restoration just became a fight for survival. At first, the crack looked small, but once the turbo came off, the real damage finally revealed itself. If one turbo looks like this, what does the other one look like? The outside told one story. The inside told another. Years without maintenance had left their mark everywhere. Suddenly, it all made sense. The real killer wasn't age. It was hidden deep inside the engine. Metal shavings everywhere. This just became a complete overhaul. Metal shavings revealed the real damage. We tore the engine apart, and this scored connecting rod bearing said it all. Second chance or scrapyard. Days of cleaning, measuring, and inspecting every piece. Only factory spec parts were allowed back. This wasn't a quick fix. It was a rebirth. The engine is finally ready to come alive. Weeks of blood, sweat, and precision. The engine was finally rebuilt. Every part replaced, every clearance perfect, every bolt factory tight. But now came the hard part. Would it actually come back to life? The engine is ready. The car isn't. Engine done. Now came the real battle. Rust had destroyed the floor, chassis rails, and mounting points. No more shortcuts. Cutting it out was easy. Making it strong again would be the hard part. Precision time. Every millimeter had to match factory specs. 1 weak weld equals total failure. After 15 years of abandonment, every suspension part had to prove itself. One failure, and this Mercedes would never drive like it was meant to. The suspension was ready, but without reliable brakes, it would never leave the workshop under its own power. Power is useless without brakes. 15 years of neglect left every brake component seized or corroded. This Mercedes had to relearn how to stop before it could ever move. Rebuilt engine ready, but the fuel tank, a total disaster. 15 years of contamination meant one thing. If bad fuel hits the engine, everything is ruined. The engine is alive, but the drivetrain was rotting. Corrosion, old grease, and years of neglect. Everything had to be revived. Engine complete. Now the scary part, the cabin. 15 years of neglect turned luxury into disaster. What we discovered inside was even worse than expected. The cabin looked bad, but the real damage was invisible. Everything had to come out, seats, panels, carpet, to reveal the truth. Cabin stripped. The real horror came out. Mold, dust, and moisture damage everywhere. This wasn't cleaning, it was a full resurrection. 15 years of neglect turned these Mercedes seats into cracked, moldy relics. Replacing them was the easy way out, but restoring the original soul, that was worth every single hour. From mold and dust to perfection, the cabin is reborn, but the real test is still ahead. Piece by piece, the cabin came alive again. The luxury lost 15 years ago was finally back. Sun-baked dashboard, dull walnut trim, and dead electronics. Restoring this Mercedes cockpit took absolute precision. Luxury isn't horsepower, it's silence. We rebuilt this Mercedes cabin from the ground up to bring back its legendary quiet. The real work before paint. Dents, scratches, and years of damage. We made every panel dead straight. No shortcuts. Months of blood, sweat, and sanding. All for this moment. Applying epoxy primer to lock everything in and protect the steel long term. Most people credit the spray gun. The truth? Great paint is made during sanding. One missed imperfection, and it shows for life. One step closer to perfection. High build primer to fill the flaws. Wet sanding to make it mirror smooth. Ready for factory paint. Weeks of restoration. One killer color. Obsidian black metallic. The paint that revived it. Paint done. Now the magic. Refined, polished, and protected until it shined like black glass. Factory quality restoration achieved. The restoration was complete. Now it was time to protect every hour of work with the final layer. The finish this Mercedes deserved. Weeks of hand rebuilt parts. Every bearing, seal, and bolt perfected. All wired up. The moment of truth. This long dormant engine won't start easy. Everything came down to this one fault. Weeks of rebuilding versus 15 years of neglect. The final moment, one last fault between failure and victory. After weeks of work and 15 years silent, this was the moment of truth. From abandoned to exceptional. This Mercedes is back to its original glory. From a forgotten $500 car to a full resurrection, now fully alive again. The comeback is complete.